30-day arm transformation at home. Build veins and muscles in just 10 minutes a day. Are you ready to build strong, veiny, and defined arms, all in just 30 days? Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to add power and shape to your arms, this video will guide you step by step through a simple yet powerful 30-day transformation. The best part? It takes only 10 minutes a day. No gym required, and quote, Day 1, the starting point. Take a good look at your arms today. Maybe they look soft. Maybe the veins are invisible, and the muscles are hardly noticeable. That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. What matters is, you've decided to start. Today, we lay the foundation. Today's goal: activate your muscles. Wake them up with basic movements. Focus on form and control. Sample routine, day 1 to 7. Wrist curls, 3 sets of 15 reps. Wall push-ups, 3 sets. Hand grip squeeze, 2 minutes. Arm circles, 1 minute clockwise, 1 minute counter, day 15. Visible change begins. You've made it halfway through, and now you're starting to feel it. The veins are beginning to pop. Your grip is stronger. Your arms are firmer. People might even start noticing, and most importantly, you feel more confident and quote. What's happening in your body? Muscles are growing. Blood flow is improving. Veins are getting more defined. Sample routine, day 8 to 15. Reverse curls, 3 sets. Push-ups, 3 sets. Resistance band hold, 30 seconds x 3. Towel squeeze, 2 minutes. Shadow boxing, 2 minutes for cardio. Tip: add protein to your diet to boost recovery and definition. Day 21, power and definition. By day 21, your arms have changed significantly. Veins are much more visible. Muscles are clearly taking shape. Your strength has improved, and you're feeling unstoppable. You've moved past the beginner stage. Now you're training like a pro. Time to level up. Your workouts will now get more intense, but only slightly. Consistency is still key. Sample routine, day 16 to 21. Dumbbell or water bottle curls, 3 sets. Plank to push up, 3 sets. Static arm hold, flex for 30 seconds, 3 rounds. Fingertip push-ups, optional, 2 sets. Farmer's carry, heavy bags or weights, 1 minute walk. Day 30, the final transformation. This is it, day 30. You've earned it. Your arms look strong, shredded, and vascular. This is what happens when discipline meets effort. Not only do your arms look great, but your overall posture, confidence, and grip strength have improved drastically. Celebrate your progress. Take a photo. Flex. Compare it to day 1 and see how far you've come. Now you're living proof that transformation is possible with just 10 minutes a day. Final routine, day 22 to 30. Superset. Push-ups, reverse curls, 3 rounds. Grip challenge. Hold a heavy object for as long as possible. Isometric arm flex, 1 minute hold. Arm burnout circuit, 5 exercises by 30 seconds each. Stretch and cool down, never skip. Bonus, maintain and grow. And quote, now that your 30 days are over, you've built a foundation. Want to maintain and grow even further? Repeat the cycle or increase resistance gradually. You're in control of your progress. Final message to viewers: you don't need hours in the gym. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is commitment, 10 minutes a day, and a goal. You've seen the 30-day arm transformation. Now, it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical health tips from USA Health Tips, and share this with a friend who needs a transformation. 2.